Money, money, money. 7 real apps to earn money in India in 2024. Hey, what's up, friends? Mayank Bhardwaj is back, and today I've got something so amazing it'll turn your phone into an ATM. Seriously, want to earn real money from your phone in India? Yes, the same India where we live. I'm not talking about those fake scams. Those fill this survey, get 5 rupees things. What can you even buy with 5 rupees these days? Not even a small chocolate. Forget all that nonsense. Today, I'm revealing 7, a whole 7 legal apps that actually pay Indians in 2024. No tricks, no lies, straight cash into your account. So, brothers and sisters, get ready, because this video can change both your life and your wallet. We'll talk about passive income, meaning earning money while you sleep. Side hustles, not just for extra pocket money, but for proper expenses. These are apps that I've checked myself, my friends have checked, and yes, they pay. So, if you're tired of asking your dad for money every day, or just want to fulfill your wishes, then this is for you. From selling that old junk in your house to using your genius skills online, we've got everything covered. Just one request, watch the whole video. If you leave in the middle, who knows which app could be your jackpot, right? And yes, all these apps are working in 2024 right now in India. No outdated stuff. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Shall we see the first app? Alright then, pick up your phone and let's go. Turn your junk into gold, selling unused items. So, first up, number 1. This is something we all have in our homes, junk. Old stuff just lying around collecting dust. That exercise cycle you dry clothes on, that old phone whose charger is lost, or grandma's trunk that can now be sold as vintage. Seriously, we Indians are a bit sentimental. Don't sell this. It has memories attached. But memories don't fill your stomach. Money does. So the first app category is sell what you don't need. And for this, there are 3 awesome apps in India whose users are more than a cricket match crowd. First up, our old friend OLX. Its name is enough. Sell it on OLX. This line has become a national slogan. OLX is best if you have big items, furniture, electronics, even cars. Free listings, meaning you don't have to pay to post. Just take a good photo, one that makes the viewer say, "Wow, I need this." Add some spice to the description and post it. Then there's Quicker. The name itself says it, Quicker Sales. It's similar to OLX, but I've noticed that phones, bikes, and smaller gadgets sell a bit faster here. Maybe their user base is a bit different, or people like the interface more for specific items. Listing is free here too. So if you've upgraded your phone and the old one is just lying around, put it on Quicker. Show your skill, earn dollars, freelancing like a boss. Okay, so the house junk is sold, some money has come in. Now what? Now let's talk about those who have skills, talent. Everyone has some skill. Someone writes well, someone designs great stuff, someone edits videos like they trained in Hollywood. So if you have any such digital skill, then you can earn dollars sitting at home, or rupees, your choice. This is category number 2, freelance gigs. And for this too, there are 3 amazing platforms. First, and my personal favorite for starting out, is Fiverr. This is a global platform, meaning clients are not just from India, but from all over the world. Gigs are sold here. You create a package of your service like, I will design a logo for $10, or I will write a 500-word article for $20. People come, see your gig. If they like it, they place an order. Design, writing, editing, voiceover, social media marketing. What's not there? Keep it cheap in the beginning, collect reviews, then slowly increase the price. The second platform is Upwork. This is a bit more serious. You get bigger and higher paying projects here. Small tasks, big money, sometimes. Okay, let's agree, not everyone has those designer or writer super skills, or the time to do a full freelance project. So can't they earn money online? Of course they can. For them, there's category number 3, micro tasks. These are small online jobs that don't require any special skills, just a little time, some common sense, and an internet connection. Let's see 3 contenders for this. First is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk. It's Amazon's platform, so the trust factor is there. Companies and individuals from all over the world post small tasks here, like looking at an image and saying what's in it, transcribing an audio clip, or checking a product description. The tasks are very simple, but the pay per task is also low. But if you take out some time in the day and do many tasks, you can easily make 200 to 300 rupees. Payout comes in PayPal, so you'll have to set that up. You need some patience here because you don't get high-paying tasks initially. The second option is Toloka. This is also similar to M-Turk. and is becoming quite popular in India. So far, we've talked about earning money by working. But did you know you can earn money by spending too? Yes, you heard that right. This is our category number 4, cashback and rewards apps. These apps basically give you some money back on your normal expenses like shopping, bill payments, recharges. So, you get the mangoes and the seeds too. Let's see which apps can make your shopping even more rewarding. First up, MobiKwik. This is a popular wallet and payment app, but a big feature is its cashback system. When you do mobile recharge, DTH recharge, pay electricity bills, or even pay at some online stores with MobiKwik, you often get cashback. Sometimes 5%, sometimes 10%, sometimes a fixed amount. This cashback comes into your MobiKwik wallet, which you can use in your next transaction. So basically, your expense is reduced, right? Last month, I paid all my utility bills with MobiKwik, and I got about 150 rupees cashback. Free 150 rupees, who would say no? Second, and this is my personal favorite for online shopping, Kashkaro. If you shop from sites like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Ajio, and don't go through Kashkaro, you're committing a sin. Seriously, Kashkaro is basically an affiliate marketing platform. You just have to go to the Kashkaro app or website, click on your favorite shopping site, like Amazon, from there, and shop normally. Chapter 5. Rent out your stuff. Asset rental income. Host, Mayank, looking around as if searching for something. We all have many things in our homes that we don't use every day, but they are quite expensive, like a fancy DSLR camera, which only comes out on vacation once a year, or that extra bike that just sits in the parking lot, or the designer lehenga that was worn only at one wedding. So why not put these idle assets to work? Category number 5 is rent out your assets. Yes, you can earn money by renting out your stuff. Let's see some apps for this. The first app is Rent On Go. This platform is specifically for renting cameras, lenses, drones, and other photography, videography gadgets. If you have a good DSLR that you don't use much, you can list it on Rent On Go. People who want to rent a camera for short-term projects or events will contact you. You can set the daily rental price. Imagine, if your camera rents for even hours on 1,000 a day, and even if it's rented for 5 or 6 days a month, that's an extra Rs 5,000, Rs 6,000. Just take care of your gadget's insurance and security deposit. The second is DriveZ, or similar platforms like Royal Brothers for bikes. Chapter 6. Go viral, earn money. The content game. Host, Mayank, striking a pose. Now comes the category that every other person wants to get into these days. Content creation. It's 2024. People are earning money even by making a good meme. So if you have that bug, I want to create something creative, show it to the world, then this category is for you. And yes, it also brings in money, and good money if your content takes off. So let's see how you can earn from content. First, and where you are watching this video, YouTube, specifically YouTube Shorts. Shorts are trending more than long videos these days. If you can make engaging, entertaining, or informative videos under a minute, then YouTube Shorts is a goldmine for you. When you get 1,000 subscribers and good views on Shorts, check the criteria, they keep changing. You can earn money from the YouTube Shorts Fund, or now from Shorts ad revenue sharing. Just the content should be original and you have to be consistent. One video goes viral and the game changes. The second platform is TipMe, or similar platforms like Buy Me a Coffee, International, or Ko-fi. These platforms run on direct fan funding. If you are a content creator, writer, artist, musician, podcaster, or even write funny tweets, you can create your profile on TipMe. Your fans, if they like your work, can directly tip you, meaning a small donation. Chapter 7. Small risk, big game, smart investing. Host, Mayank, looking serious for a moment, then smiles. So friends, we sold stuff, earned with skills, did small tasks, got cash back, rented out stuff, even created content. What to do with the money that came in? Keep it under the pillow? No, put it to work so it makes more money. Category number 7, and very important, investment apps. Here we'll talk about smart investing, the small risk, big game kind. No get-rich-quick schemes, only sensible options. The first app is Grow. This app is so user-friendly that even if you don't know the eye of investment, you can still start. You can invest in mutual funds here. And the best part, start a SIP, systematic investment plan, with just Rs 100. Yes, just 100 rupees a month. SIP means a small amount of money is automatically invested every month. In the long term, this small investment becomes a very large corpus. You can also invest in stocks on Grow, but if you are a beginner, it's best to start with a mutual fund SIP. The second is small case. This is a bit advanced, but a very interesting concept. Small cases are basically baskets of stocks or ETFs based on a particular theme or idea. Chapter 8. Now it's your turn. Go get that moolah. Host, Mayank smiling broadly. So friends, these were the 7 ways, the 7 app categories through which you can earn actual money legally from your phone in India. In 2024, I've tried to include something for every type of person, whether you're a student, housewife, working professional, or just want some extra income on the side. These apps actually work in India. No fake promises, no clickbait. These are things that people are using and earning from. Now the ball is in your court. My suggestion is don't try all the apps at once. You'll get confused. Choose 1 or 2 apps that you find most interesting, or that match your skills and needs, and start with that. Try one today and comment your results. Tell me in the comments below which app you are going to try, or if you are already using any, what your experience has been. And yes, if you found this video even a little helpful, learned something new, then please like it, share it with your friends who need it, and subscribe to the channel.